Let's create what Wheelhouse calls a market set. Market sets are designed to detect travel trends across a much broader set of inventory. In this case, we're going to draw polygons. First, we'll surround the Beaver Creek and Vale Market. Double-click to close. If you misdraw your boundary, you can easily grab more area. Again, double-click to close. Additionally, we want to understand properties near Breckenridge. This might give us insights into other nearby travel patterns that we can take advantage of. So now I have multiple markets selected. Let's go find the largest homes. Click Select All for any metric to expand it to its maximum available visibility. Click Apply, and we'll now pull in 2,000 properties. If we wanted to limit this to houses, we could easily do that as well. Now, let's look at available nights. Right now we're looking at metrics in the next 90 days. We could be looking at a different time frame, but let's just make sure that we're grabbing properties with the most available nights. This will give us a sense of true competitors. If we grab too many, let's just grab the more available properties. In this case, we have 449 properties that are large, mostly available, and houses. We could look through each of these properties or sort them to figure out the right properties, but generally with a market set, you're going to want to select all, add to set, and now you'll start to have a larger market set you can use to benchmark your performance against. Ready to save? Click Create Set. Multi-market mountain set. Adjust the category. Now you can continue editing or go to the overview. If you click Continue Editing, you can further refine your search, and soon you'll see metrics appear here that you can toggle over and review.